Alright, it's 7 AM. I think I had about 4 hours sleep. We got sort of that LJ's thing this morning. So first step is let's go get some wood. I didn't get much time to film stuff today. I had to be working pretty much non-stop. I had to be focused, you know. Maya did manage to film a few clips though. Okay, job one is to strip this all down. All this wood is so greasy and oily. We've just got to get everything off and start from scratch, I think. Just keep the frames.
Where's the paint? There, yeah.
Alright, it was a close call, but we've done it. I think it's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
Looking amazing.
Luke, can I have this light about a year in advance next time?
You're too busy!
You know, when you're making stuff for TV, you can make it properly, or you can make it TV properly. Basically, when it's going to be on camera, you're going to see way less detail than if you're going to see it in real life. So you only need to make things up to a certain quality. You can kind of fake stuff. You know, about 4 years ago, I made a helicopter into a home cinema for Channel 4's Amazing Spaces. It went kind of viral. It was on like BBC homepage and stuff. But that job went absolutely right up to the wire. I think on the final day, we worked for about 20 hours straight, right up to the shoot time. We did want to make it look as good as possible, but we did have to fake a few things in the end. If you go to my channel page and then go to the content and then organize it by oldest, you'll see that there's actually a vlog based around the helicopter that you can watch. So maybe go and check that out. It's pretty cool. As for Lewis's thing, it's good enough for the TV shoot, but he does need to bring it back, you know, in the next couple of weeks. Lou, I know you're watching this video, so bring me that trolley back and I'll do some more stuff to it. Anyway, that wasn't a bad effort for 3.5 hours work. I hope the TV show goes well, bud. I can hear it like rumbling around inside. I hope it makes it. Those guys are just going to do some recycling for me whilst I go home and grab a quick shower and freshen up. And then it's back to the workshop for building a kitchen for the rest of the day. It's going to be a really busy week this week, I think. All right, let's drive home. The shower is my secret weapon. The shower is my secret weapon. That's how I'm going to be rejuvenated for the rest of the day. What is it, bud? I said in a previous video that the days that are easiest to make a video for are the ones where loads and loads of stuff happens throughout the day. But it turns out there is a cap. If there's too much stuff happening, then it actually becomes difficult to even film the footage. Film the footage? Is that right? This camera represents the amount of vlogging you do in a day. This Running Man represents the amount of activities you do in the day. You only have so many slots in a given day. If you spend your entire day doing activities, like I did today, what happens is you end up leaving very little time for vlogging. If your day looks like this, it's very hard to make a video. If you have a very quiet day, where there's just plenty of time to film, and this is all of the activities that you do, it's going to be a very, very boring vlog. The most optimal days look like this. This setup right here, this is ideal. This side of the chart represents the quality of your vlog, and this line here represents how busy you are. Anything in this section of the triangle, it's an easy vlog to make. Anything below, This is hard. If there's too much stuff happening, there's just no time to film. But if there's absolutely nothing happening, there's nothing to point your camera at. There's like a really fine balance that you want to try and strike, but really, it's almost impossible to control how your day is going to pan out. Look at that, fresh as a daisy. Back to work. Because we were super busy, I didn't get a chance to really film what we were doing during the day, but the routing you just saw me do just then, we routed in these slots for the shelves to fit into, and then I like to do this detail where we dowel the sides. We also began the process of building all these blue cabinets. This is for a kitchen that's going in London. Anyway, there's probably going to be quite a bit of footage of us building the blue kitchen over the next few episodes of the vlog, so I wasn't totally worried that we didn't manage to film any of it today. You'll see it all in the next few days. You know, I thought I'd be settling in for a nice calm evening of doing the edit and eating some ice lollies. Especially because I've had such a long, hot day in the sun.
Trouble is, when the weather's like this, it's basically impossible for the lads to resist going to the pub and getting some beers, so... Whoa. So that's what we're going to go and do now.
How's it going, Chief?
Not bad.
There you go. I just got back from the pub. We should do that more often. That was good. I have a video to edit and then bedtime. So, see you later. Oh no, those 3 beers have gone to my head.